Welcome back to Inspols, everyone. So I'm going to go over BBIG with you guys. We had an article come out on a $40 price target on Seeking Alpha. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for this one to continue, what exact levels do we need to hold above, and what exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart with you guys here on BBIG to show you guys exactly what has to happen for us to continue. And then I'm going to go to the forward chart so you guys can see what exact key levels we're trying to break above. But also we did have that article come out today on that $40 price target. We're going to see if we can get to that price target. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned GRVI's news in pre-market at $6.28, jumping up all the way to $9.36 on the day, almost about 40% on that breakout. And we also mentioned OCGN on their spike today, also mentioned them on Wednesday with their Covaxin drug that was emergency use approved for ages of 2 to 18. Looking to see if we can get FDA news approval on that Covaxin drug. We're going to see if we do. And I also did go over OCGN in the last video if you guys want to see what might happen there. And at the end of the day, we had an article come out on a $40 price target. We had a major spike in the Inspo zone from $7.10, jumping up all the way to $8.50 on the day, over 20% on that breakout. And yesterday was the largest breakout that we had of the week. We had JSPR with the $21 price target from pre-market at $8. Jumped up to $17 on the day, over 100% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So again, here on the 5-minute chart, we had this major spike and continuation up from that $40 price target that we got on Searching Alpha. Looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. Now, going to extended hours, we did come back down, and we are now testing the 20-moving average. Looking to see if we can respect this 20-moving average and bounce off of it going into tomorrow. So going into pre-market tomorrow here on the 5-minute chart, I will be looking to see if we can respect this 20-moving average. If we can hold above the 20-moving average and we can hold the 20-moving average above the 50, then we could still have a continuation here. But I'm going to back up here to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what key levels we're trying to hold above to have this continuation. Very key that we do go over these levels. If we do not hold above these levels, then in my opinion, we could get rejected to the upside and possibly have that sell-off. So as you guys can see, we have our very key level that we're trying to hold above here, trying to respect this 810 mark as a support. As you guys can see, we could not hold this level previously. We had multiple bounces at this point. As you guys can see, we could not hold this level, had that continuation on down since then. Looking to see if we can hold that 810 mark as a support. If we can hold 810 as support, then in my opinion, we could have that continuation up here going up to 977. Looking to see if we can hold over that $10 psychological resistance. Then we have our wicks to the upside here and rejections here at 1167. So we will be looking to see if we can hold this 810 mark going to tomorrow. If we cannot hold 810 going to pre-market, then in my opinion, we're going to definitely keep this one on watch. Make sure we are careful. Make sure we can get this continuation momentum and get confirmation here. Now, to get that confirmation, as you guys can see, we have, again, previously that major spike that we did have. We had the 20-moving average above the 50, and we had that continuation up. Again, the 20-moving average being the yellow line, and the 50-moving average being the red. We had that major breakout previously. As you guys can see, we are sitting with the 20-moving average just below the 50-moving average. We did have that spike today, again, on that $40 price target, but to have that continuation and possibility to that $40 price target, we do need the 20-moving average to at least cross back above the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. That's exactly what we will be looking out for to get more momentum, in my opinion, and to possibly hold over this 810 mark going to tomorrow. So again, we're going to keep this on watch here on the 4-hour chart as well to make sure we can continue. And as far as momentum, as you guys can see here on the MACD, we had this increase in buy pressure, looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure point and previous momentum that we did have here on this major spike. So ultimately looking to see if we can break above that buy pressure point. And to set that alert here on TradingView, you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you put the alert right over your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we will get confirmation at that point in time. And you could also have TradingView text you. That's one thing I really do like about TradingView as well. But again, looking to see if we can get that confirmation above our previous buy pressure one is exactly what we're looking for. Again, we could increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow, and we could continue on up. But again, to hold that 810 mark, in my opinion, we are going to be looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure one to get that major breakout. Again, we have our major gap down here coming up at 977. So in my opinion, the safer play is, again, making sure we can either have a spike in the morning going to tomorrow, possibly jump up to 9 if you want to play that. But in my opinion, to get the safer play, we're trying to hold over 10, have that confirmation above our previous buy pressure point to get that major breakout. And of course, if we do get more momentum here on BBIG or get that volume that we do need to get that confirmation, then we will be alerting this one in Instabulls as always. So if you guys do want to see all of my breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over supporting the channel, as always, much love to you guys. Good luck in the football bowl today as well. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.